Hi there. If you are running a WordPress website, you already know that users can create posts, pages, and manage important content. But here's a common problem. If you delete a user the wrong way, you might lose all the content they created, and that can be a big issue. In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a new user properly, how to keep your website secure, and how to delete an old user without losing any content. So let's get started. First, you need to log in your WordPress website. Then click here user, then all user. You don't need to click here on users. You just need to hover your mouse here. You can see all user in the right side and click here. Here you can see all the users currently on your website. I have only one user. Now click on the add new button at the top. You will see a form where you need to enter your user details. Let's go through them carefully. First, username. This must be unique. You cannot change it later. Try to avoid common names like admin for security reasons. So I'm choosing it something unique. Loner, like that. Then next, the email address. Use a valid and active email. Each user must have a different email address. I'm choosing it. And then first name, last name. You can put your name or you can simply skip it. Then here you go password. Always use a strong password, include uppercase, lowercase, number and symbol. Avoid simple password like 123456 or password like I'm using. It's a strong password. WordPress may generate a strong password. Here you can see generate password. You can use also that. It's good idea to use that. Then we come about, then you can see user role. Now choose a role which controls what the user can do, like subscriber. Subscriber can only manage their profile, and contributor can write but not publish. Author can write and publish their own post. Editor can manage and publish content, and administrator full control of the website. I'm choosing administrator and simply clicking on add user. So we have created a new user. Now before deleting any user, you need to understand something very important. In WordPress, every post and page is linked to a specific user. So if you delete a user and choose the wrong option, all their content can be deleted as well. But don't worry, we'll avoid that. So we're going to delete the old user safely. Find the old user you want to remove and click on delete. Here you can see our old user is this one. You can see that we don't see delete option here like we are seeing on Lunar. So we need to log out this user and we need to log in this user like Lunar 85498. Here you can see logout option and we're going to log it out. Here you can see Lunar user and I'm going to log in on it. Then we'll go on all user and here you can see delete option and then click on delete. Here you can see two options, delete all content and second one is attribute all content to Lunar, this one. So we need to attribute all content to new user. Just simply select it and click on confirm deletion. Here you can see what happens now. The old user is removed, all posts and pages are transferred to the new user, so your content stayed completely safe. You can see here all the post and content is still available. This ensures everything is working perfectly. Now I'm going to share you some bonus tips like never use admin as a username, always use a strong password, only give admin access to trusted users, regularly review and remove unused users. These small steps can greatly improve your website security. So that's how you can create a new user and delete an old one in WordPress without losing any content while also keeping your website secure. This is especially useful if you are managing a team or updating user access. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials.